This exercise is called sit-up twist crunch. The muscle groups we will be working: hip flexors, hips, core, lower to upper back muscles, and obliques. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lay down on the ground, okay? You're going to place your hands on your ear. Try not to place them on your head, just because when you come up from that crunch, there's no need to pull on that neck, right? That can cause injuries, so make sure you try your hardest to keep the hands on your ears. Now, what we're doing here, okay, is we're going to try to sit up with the legs coming off the ground and our body. So for starters, okay, if you keep the feet on the floor, that's fine, but try to keep the feet planted at all time, okay? Try not to let them come off the ground. Crunch up. When you get to the top of your crunch, you're going to crunch to the right. Come back down. Then you're going to crunch to the left, all right? You're going to alternate both sides all the way through. So if it takes time to where you can't get the legs to come off the ground, keep the feet planted, okay? But when those legs do come off the ground, okay, that's that explosion in your core to when you're coming up, you're trying to be on a balance beam, okay? So your glutes, right where your butt's at, is basically your balance beam. So as you come off the ground, you need to learn how to engage that core to have yourself come off the ground with your upper body and lower body at the same time coming together to keep that balance and to keep that form from working.
This is one of the many exercises you will experience in WebFitness. That's what I'm talking about. Push yourself. I know you got one more. I see it. Come on now. Exactly what you just heard is exactly what you're going to get. A live trainer in front of you to coach you, to motivate you, help fix your form, and help you with every step along the way. All we ask for is a laptop and good internet connection. That's it. It's as simple as that. There's no special equipment needed whatsoever. You can even hook up your laptop to your TV. That choice is yours. The main purpose you're getting is a group fitness class with people from all over the world with a live trainer. But we invented that. We invented a new way to fitness. You're going to be able to track your progress, improve your diet, and work out anywhere you want to. And work out whenever you want to. Schedule your workouts ahead of time. If you know you're going to work out at home, or if you got to go out on a business trip, we got you. Schedule the time that suits best for you at the touch of your finger. It's as simple as that. The app that we have provided you is going to do wonders. You're going to have so many options and so many things to do, you're not going to keep count of it. Quickly take a picture of your food in our app for our nutritionist to analyze what you're eating to provide you advice on your diet and meal planning. You can also ask questions on a meal or general nutrition questions. You're going to have my progress. You're going to take pictures each week of your transformation. Watch your measurements. Watch those pounds drop like there's no tomorrow. We have all of that for you, and that's all here at WebFitness.